So today we are going to be opening this AirTag and this gift card. I know you all love gift cards, so we're going to get to the gift card unboxing first. I'm not going to show you my thing, but I get a sticker to put on my phone or something like that. This one's like $10 because I need the iCloud storage and for my lovely. And then we have an AirTag. So what we're going to do with this AirTag is we're going to put it with the AirPods. So first things first, we're going to come down here to this little pull tab here. Ooh, very nice. Very cool. AirTag. Oh, we get some paperwork. Let's see. 1 year limited, no one gives a shit. Regulatory, no one gives a shit. Safety and handling, no one gives a shit. All right, we're opening up the AirTag now. Yo! It's so pretty! Ah! Oh, wow. Yeah, this thing's way bigger than I imagined. And then we just... Okay, there we go. I just wanted to get the plastic out without ripping it. And now, I'm just going to put it back in. Nice! That's super dope. And then we're just going to put our Apple dingus back on. Okay, so when you get your AirTag, you twist this way to take it off. And then you twist this way to put it back on. You want to save this part so it doesn't get any scratches. I'm going to get the tape. Yes, the big tape. And now, if you're wondering, hey, why is he putting tape on it? Well, this is so no one deactivates it. And this is to protect this aluminum because I do want to save this and I want to protect the plastic. So this entire AirTag is being wrapped in the good tape. Where is this going to go, matey? What am I going to do with this? Well, we're going to tape it to here. Get the tape here. We're going to do a dish. We're just going to tape it around my AirPods case. And then there we go. Would you look at that? Now, isn't that a proper way to use an AirTag? And then we're also going to attach it to here. And we're going to do this. Yeah, boy. Look it. My AirPod is now pregnant with an AirTag. Isn't that dope? This is a pretty cool unboxing, not going to lie. Alright, so that's set up and ready to go for me to use, and that's not going anywhere. And then we have a cool little manual that we just get to fold over like this. We can put our little instructions back here. And this is the proper way to use the AirTag so that you don't lose your shit. Wait till it pops up, and then you're going to select the thing. So this is going to be headphones. Click continue, and it's just going to set itself up. Lickety-splickety, easily peasily.